So this is the largest AI tools directory, which is updated daily, very often. And so you have a lot of tools, all the tools that you already know, they are inside. And you have new tools coming out, of course, very often. So it's like a directory. So you can search by filters, free trial, freemium, or free, paid, and open source, waiting list, mobile app, and then the category of the AI tool, and sort by the newest, most recent, popular, or verified. Verified maybe has been tested, I don't know what it means. Then you have the leaderboard to follow, because people can vote. So you can log in, sign up, and then log in order to make your own dashboard of AI tools with the favorites. So you will have all your favorite tools. Of course, you can have a bookmark, but it's on the site itself, on the directory, so you can search for new ones. And what you can do is just upvote some tools, or as you put them into your favorites, it's like a vote of that you like it. So that's how they do their rankings for this one, the leaderboards. Every day, how many tools have been put into the favorites of all the users of this directory. So let's try no filter, sort by popular. This is for everything. So of course you have ChatGPT, because at the moment that's the one. This one NG is like a search engine combining search engine and a chat. And other Flicky, I use this one for a try to create videos with a voice, AI voice, or not AI but voice, and also shows videos, clip art automatically. So you do nothing, you just input the text that you want, and you can also give a URL, and it will get the URL from the blog article that you gave, and it will separate two sequences, then choose the video automatically, and the voice then choose which voice you want. So here you have of course the most popular ones for everything, but then you can choose the category. So the one that we like before it was image, so I don't know if it's art. The image for stable diffusion and things like this. The drawing of course, that's nothing for the best. Vertical festival, but I think again it's not more for enjoying this. So let's see if it's up by the report, by the